surrounding the cause of this crash. It happened shortly before 10 a.m. local time in California. And the sheriff's department is saying that the crash ignited a brush fire, which made it difficult for firefighters and emergency personnel to get to the aircraft. And you can see it. I mean, it's tough to see in all that smoke and fog. And apparently there was quite a bit of foggy conditions in the hills above Calabasas when the helicopter went down. But clearly it must have been difficult flying conditions for the pilot, but also clearly continues to be very difficult conditions for the first responders to try to get to and assess the scene. I just like to reset for folks who are just now tuning in. We have learned, and there are reports, that Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest basketball players of all times, has reportedly died in a helicopter crash along with 4 other people. The helicopter crash happened in Calabasas. We believe that Kobe Bryant was flying on his personal helicopter from his home to a location that is still to be determined. And at some point there was what appeared to be a fire on the helicopter, and that brought the helicopter down to the point where you are seeing right now a thick plume of smoke coming from the hills of Calabasas, California, on a very foggy day there. And Jim, it is just, it's hard to put words to. It's really hard to believe. This is one of the greatest basketball players that ever lived, and also just a giant in the Los Angeles, California area. I mean, it's hard to think of people that were more beloved by people who live in Los Angeles than Kobe Bryant.
Well, you said that exactly correct. Won 5 championships with the Lakers, and was always going to be tied to that organization and to the NBA. No one will ever forget the championships that he won with Shaquille O'Neal. They had a very famous party of the way, and Shaquille left the organization. Kobe had asked to be traded. Dr. Jerry Buss, who owned the team, kept him there, and he went on to win 2 more championships, combining with Pau Gasol. And Kobe, to a certain extent, wanted to be able to show that he was not just the guy who was going to win with Shaq. And so they had a very famous divorce, and they patched it up quite well in recent years, both recognizing that they were young and that they were probably much better together than they were alone. But Kobe did prove that to himself, winning 2 championships. Phil Jackson was the coach at that time. He had come back into coaching after his death with the Chicago Bulls. And then Kobe Bryant on his final evening, when he retired a few years ago, put up 60-plus points in his final game at the Staples Center, coming back from an Achilles injury, which would have ended many people's careers. But Kobe worked really, really hard with Dr. Neil Elitrage. Came back and didn't want to go out. But he was a remarkable basketball player. And,
such resilience, Jim. And, you know, in addition to all of these stats that we could rattle off about Kobe Bryant, the basketball player, as you said, Kobe Bryant now survived by his wife, Vanessa, and their 4 daughters, Gianna, Natalia, and Bianca, and their newborn daughter, Capri. Such a terrible story that we are learning about, and now ESPN has confirmed that Kobe Bryant, one of the all-time basketball greats, has died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. The cause still under investigation. First responders just getting there. The NTSB is on its way, and we believe 4 other people were also killed in this helicopter crash. But one of the all-time greatest basketball players dead today at just 41 years old. Very sorry to bring you the news, and Arthel and Eric, pick it up.
And this is a Fox